We shall now have a closer look at the features of Aria. Aria, the first Indian crossover. Concept of a crossover. Crossover is a blend, a vehicle which has a blend of a stylish and comfortable looks of a sedan, the versatility of an MPV, and the rugged looks of an SUV. The crossover can be sedan-based, MPV-based, and SUV-based. The example of an SUV-based crossover is a GM Captiva, MPV-based is an Outlander, and sedan-based is a Volvo XC90. Hearing about these, the costing of a crossover starts up and above 20 lakhs, a premium vehicle. Let us have a closer look of the crossovers in the international market. Some of them are Chevrolet T2X, Peugeot 3008, Toyota Venza, Cadillac SRX. Crossovers in the Indian market. All the crossover brands currently in Indian market are multinational brands which are imported as completely built in units, CBUs. There is no truly Indian crossover, no homegrown product. Crossovers which are available in the Indian market are Honda CR-V, GM Captiva, Mitsubishi Outlander, and Audi Q7. Aria is a vehicle, a crossover, which has power, which meets style, luxury meets ruggedness, solidity meets agility, contemporary meets the classic, indulgence meets functionality, class meets the comfort. The first Indian crossover. This is how the vehicle looks like. The finesse of a sedan with the muscle of an SUV. Let's have a clear understanding of the finesse of a sedan first. It has the contemporary design and the consistent theme of Tata Motors vehicles with wide chrome-lined signature Tata grille, flanked by wraparound dual-barreled headlamps with a projector beam. It has a dynamic roofline, mono-volume cab forward design, chrome belt line underlining the glass house, large dual elliptical exhaust which indicates power, which indeed the vehicle has. 17-inch alloy wheels. Some of these features are available in high-end vehicles, sedans like BMW. Interiors are dual-colored dashboard combining style with functionality and ergonomics. Stylish interiors, plush leather upholstery. The interiors are available in 3 options. It is black and plum, black and black, and black and beige. It has a unique pillar-mounted AC vents which suits the Indian climatic conditions and also comfort. It has a total of 10 AC vents, 4 in the front row, 4 in the middle, and 2 at the rearmost row. It has a host of roof utility bins where we can actually keep our spectacles, goggles, CDs, novels, and many other items. The comfort is available not only to the driver and the co-driver, but also to the passengers in the middle and the third row. It has a low floor construction, gives the benefit of an easy ingress and egress, particularly for the female and the elderly people. Comfort and convenience. It has height adjustable driver seat with the seat belt, which is again height adjustable, tilt steering, and multi-position armrests. All put together give a lot of ergonomics and easy, comfortable seating posture.